Hello friends, this is Dr. P.R. Chaudhary. Today we will be studying about different post-harvest losses and factors affecting them. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Horticultural crops not only provide nutritional and healthy foods to human beings but also generate a considerable cash income for growers. However, horticultural crops typically have high moisture content, tender texture, and high perishability. If not handled properly, the high value nutritious product can deteriorate and rot in matter of days or hours. Therefore, it is important to study the causes of post-harvest losses, and this can be divided into different categories. Metabolic factors. The natural process of respiration, transpiration, ripening, senescence occur and involves the breakdown of food reserves and the aging of these organs. All fresh horticultural crops are live organs. Mechanical injury. Owing to their tender texture and high moisture content, fresh fruits and vegetables are very susceptible to mechanical injury. Poor handling, unsuitable containers, improper packaging and transportation can easily cause bruising, cutting, breaking, impact wounding, and other forms of injury. Developmental factors. These include sprouting, rooting, seed germination, which lead to deterioration in quality and nutritional value. Parasitic diseases. High post-harvest losses are caused by the invasion of fungus, bacteria, insects, and other organisms. Microorganisms attack fresh produce easily and spread quickly because the produce does not have much of natural defense mechanism and has plenty of nutrients and moisture to support microbial growth. Physiological deterioration. Physiological deterioration can also occur spontaneously by enzymatic action, leading to overripeness and senescence, a simple aging phenomena. Physiological disorders may occur due to mineral deficiency, low or high temperature injury, or undesirable atmospheric conditions such as high humidity. Lack of market demand. Poor planning or inaccurate production and market information may lead to overproduction of certain fruits or vegetables, which can't be sold in time. This situation occurs most frequently in areas where transportation and storage facilities are inadequate. Produce may lie rotting in production areas if farmers are unable to transport it to the people who need it in the distant locations. Consumption. These losses can be due to inadequate preservation methods at home, methods of cooking and preparation such as peeling, consumption, etc. So these were the various factors affecting post-harvest losses. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.